They tried to hide it, but the truth is out. For years, whispers and rumors have circulated about a mysterious planet lurking in the far reaches of our solar system. A planet so elusive, so shrouded in secrecy, that many dismissed it as mere conspiracy. But now, the veil has been lifted. Nibiru, also known as Planet X, is real. This enigmatic celestial body has been the subject of countless debates, scientific inquiries, and even ancient prophecies. Its existence has been speculated upon by astronomers and enthusiasts alike, but concrete evidence has always seemed just out of reach. Until now, and it's closer than you think. Imagine a planet hidden in the vast expanse of space slowly making its way towards us. A planet that has the potential to change everything we know about our solar system and our place in the universe. This isn't just a distant possibility, it's a looming reality. For decades, scientists, governments, and the world's most powerful organizations have buried the existence of this mysterious planet, orbiting in the shadows of our solar system. The reasons for this secrecy are manifold. Some argue it's to prevent mass hysteria, while others believe it's to maintain control over the narrative. Whatever the reason, the truth has been kept from the public for far too long. But leaked documents, whistleblowers, and new research point to a chilling truth. These revelations have come from brave individuals who risked everything to bring this information to light. Scientists who could no longer stay silent, government insiders who felt a moral obligation to reveal the truth, and independent researchers who pieced together the puzzle from fragments of data. Nibiru has been detected on the far edges of our solar system. This detection wasn't a sudden discovery, but the result of years of meticulous observation and analysis. Advanced telescopes and space probes have captured glimpses of this elusive planet, confirming its existence beyond any doubt, and it's headed our way. The trajectory of Nibiru is a cause for concern. As it moves closer, its gravitational influence will begin to affect the other planets in our solar system, including Earth. The implications of this are profound and far-reaching. We've been tracking it for years. The data collected over the years paints a clear picture of Nibiru's path. Astronomers have used sophisticated software to model its orbit, predicting its movements with increasing accuracy. This isn't a recent phenomenon. The scientific community has been aware of Nibiru for a long time. Nibiru's orbit is highly elliptical. Unlike the nearly circular orbits of most planets in our solar system, Nibiru follows a long, stretched-out path. This elliptical orbit takes it far beyond the outer planets, only to bring it back into the inner solar system at regular intervals. It only becomes visible to our instruments when it gets dangerously close. This periodic visibility has made it difficult to study Nibiru consistently. Only when it approaches the inner solar system does it become detectable by our telescopes and other observational tools. And right now, the data is undeniable. It's on a collision course with Earth. The latest data suggests that Nibiru's current trajectory brings it alarmingly close to our planet. The potential for a direct collision or even a close pass could have catastrophic consequences for Earth. They've called it the Destroyer. This ominous nickname isn't just hyperbole. Historical records and ancient texts describe Nibiru as a harbinger of doom, a celestial body that brings destruction in its wake, an ancient planet that has appeared in civilizations' prophecies for millennia. From the Sumerians to the Mayans, many ancient cultures have left behind records of a wandering planet that periodically visits our solar system. These prophecies often speak of cataclysmic events that coincide with Nibiru's arrival. The Sumerians, the Mayans, even ancient Egyptians all spoke of a wandering celestial body that brings disaster in its wake. These ancient civilizations, despite being separated by vast distances and time periods, all share remarkably similar stories about Nibiru. Their records describe floods, earthquakes, and other natural disasters that occur when Nibiru is near. Nibiru's effects are already being felt: freak weather patterns, unexplained earthquakes. The signs of Nibiru's approach are becoming increasingly evident. Unusual weather patterns, such as unprecedented storms and temperature fluctuations, are being reported worldwide. Earthquakes are occurring in regions that have been seismically stable for centuries. Volcanoes awakening after centuries of dormancy. Dormant volcanoes are suddenly becoming active, spewing ash and lava into the atmosphere. These geological upheavals are not random. They are the result of Nibiru's gravitational influence on our planet. What we've been experiencing on Earth isn't random. The increasing frequency and intensity of natural disasters are not mere coincidences. They are directly linked to the approach of Nibiru. It's Nibiru's gravitational pull wreaking havoc. As Nibiru gets closer, its gravitational forces interact with Earth's, causing disruptions in our planet's natural systems. This gravitational tug-of-war is responsible for the chaotic events we are witnessing. Why haven't we been told the truth? The question on everyone's mind is why this information has been kept from the public. The answer lies in the corridors of power where decisions are made behind closed doors. Because the world governments know they can't control it. The reality is that Nibiru's approach is beyond the control of any government or organization. The potential for widespread panic and chaos is a risk they are unwilling to take. NASA has observed the phenomenon for years but kept it under wraps. NASA, with its advanced observational capabilities, has been aware of Nibiru for a long time. However, the decision was made to keep this information classified to avoid public unrest. Why? To avoid mass panic. The fear of widespread panic and societal collapse has driven the decision to keep Nibiru's existence a secret. The potential for chaos is immense and the authorities have chosen to manage the situation quietly, but we've obtained new, undisclosed footage that proves their knowledge goes back decades. Recently uncovered footage and documents reveal that NASA and other space agencies have been tracking Nibiru for decades. This evidence confirms that the knowledge of Nibiru's existence is not a recent development. There's no more time to deny it. The time for denial is over. The evidence is overwhelming, and the reality of Nibiru's approach can no longer be ignored. Nibiru's orbit brings it close to Earth every 3,600 years. This periodic orbit has been documented in ancient records, which describe the cyclical nature of Nibiru's visits to our solar system. And based on our current projections, the time frame aligns perfectly with the alignment of Nibiru's orbit with historical catastrophes is striking. Events such as the Great Flood, the fall of ancient civilizations, and other significant disasters coincide with Nibiru's periodic return. Catastrophic events in our ancient past. Prepare yourself. The evidence suggests that we are on the brink of another such event. Preparation is key, and awareness is the first step. Governments won't issue a warning, but we will. While governments may remain silent, it is up to us to spread the word and prepare for what lies ahead. The construction of underground bunkers and other protective measures by the elite is a clear indication of the seriousness of the situation. The signs are everywhere, from the mysterious booms in the sky to strange patterns in the stars. Unexplained phenomena in the sky, such as mysterious booms and unusual star patterns, are further evidence of Nibiru's approach. These signs are becoming more frequent and harder to ignore. The elite have already started building underground bunkers. The construction of luxury bunkers by the world's elite is a clear indication that they are aware of the impending danger. These bunkers are designed to withstand the worst-case scenarios, providing a safe haven for those who can afford it. What are you going to do? Wake up, people, this isn't fiction. The time to act is now. Awareness and preparation are crucial. This is not a fictional scenario, it is a real and imminent threat. The prophecies, the science, the unexplained global chaos, it all leads back to Nibiru. Nibiru is coming. The convergence of ancient prophecies, scientific data, and current global events all point to the same conclusion. Nibiru is real, and it is on its way. And it's not a question of if, but when. The question is no longer if Nibiru will arrive, but when. The countdown has begun, and the world must prepare for the inevitable. Don't let them control the narrative. The control of information and the narrative surrounding Nibiru has been in the hands of a few for too long. It is time for the truth to be known and for people to take control of their own destinies. Subscribe for more updates on Planet X. Stay informed and stay prepared. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and information on Nibiru and other cosmic phenomena. Knowledge is power, and in these uncertain times, it is our greatest asset.